Hello everyone, welcome to the American Jedi channel. I wanted to go over just a fail that I had. I don't know if it's the unit or memory card, but when I went to go make a YouTube video, there was something interesting happening with my car, and I will make a video when it happens again, if it does. But I could not get this thing to download the video to my phone. So I plugged it in using the dongle that comes with it. And the DJI Mimo app launched automatically, and I could see the videos that were on the memory card on the device and play them back and everything like that. But when I went to go download it, I didn't know if it was downloading to my phone or downloading to the to the app or what. But when I went to go press the download button, the wheel turned like it was downloading, but when it got to the end, it said rendered failed. So I tried to download it again, but every time I hit download on that same video, it kept saying rendered failed immediately instead of trying to, go download again and that wheel filling up again. So I actually had to make 2 clips because while I was recording, the camera just stopped recording on its own. I didn't press a button or anything. It just went bloop, bloop, made a sound. That's how I knew it stopped recording. So I just started recording again because I was like, oh, I'll just stitch the clips together and it'll be fine. But I could not get this to work. And when I went to video editor within the Mimo app, it said no videos to edit. So I'm thinking you have to download it first before you can edit, but I could not get it to download. So again, I don't know if it's the camera. This is an Amazon Renewed camera. I doubt it's the camera. It could be the memory card, I'm guessing. I thought I ordered a SanDisk because like the color on the memory card really looks like a SanDisk, but it says Gigastone on the top. So I don't know if it's the memory card that's faulty or the camera that's faulty. Since it's a Renewed product, I really don't know. But honestly, even if it did work right, I personally am not impressed with the Pocket 2. I'm sure there's a lot of you creators out there that are and use it successfully. But honestly, I think I'm going to go another direction. I just ordered the GoPro Hero 11 Black Edition Creator Combo, I think they call it. The Creator Combo or Creator Edition, something like that. And that they actually had it on sale on DJI's website for $529, and I think Amazon was still at $599, and I think Best Buy was at $699 if I'm not mistaken. So I got it off of GoPro's website for $529. Actually, it ended up being $515 plus tax. I don't know why I got a discount, but I don't know because I signed in through my military Verify ID me, so I don't know if they gave me like an extra $15 discount or whatever. But yeah, it ended up being $515 plus like $30 in tax, and that was like, I don't know, it was like ended up being like $548 or something like that. But yeah, so I'm just going to go back to GoPro. I had a GoPro in the past and earlier, way years ago, and I used it for whitewater rafting, just personal videos, swimming, whitewater rafting, things like that, because it was, with the case and stuff, it was pretty durable, and I really enjoyed the videos that I made with it. So, and then it ended up collecting dust because I stopped making videos for a while, and then I ended up selling it a few years later. But yeah, I'm going to go with the GoPro Hero 11. I have some concerns because I hear that it has overheating issues. I don't know if those are just faulty units that some people are getting, but yeah, I'm going to try that, and I'll report back to you. I'm going to use that for my trip to Cincinnati. And I just wanted to give you this update on the memory card and the Amazon Renewed product. So thanks for watching. And you guys stay safe out there. All right. Take care.